witness a person begging money just to get their child educated? If not, here's a small clip that will make you understand the necessity of the app.
बेटे ने इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का परीक्षा पास कर लिया है, 75,000 फीस है, 50,000 तो जैसे तैसे जुटा लिए, 25,000 का मदद हो जाएगा तो उसका बेड़ा पार हो जाएगा, तो जिंदगी भर आपका नाम ले।
That is why we are here as young CEOs to present our app project, currently a basic prototype. Our app name is Swaodaya, a Sanskrit word meaning self-rising. Our app will have two users, the needy and the donor. Both will have to sign up and have the data secure. After that, they will have two options, either to access schemes or to access campaigns. The schemes will be filtered using AI on the basis of the data provided by the user. So it is easy for the user to access the schemes which is available for them and can apply for it.
For those who can't read or text, we have an option called as text to speech and speech to text, which will make it easier for the people to fill out forms and will be accessible to many people around the world. The people who need education and healthcare can make a campaign, but only if they have a BPL certificate which will be authenticated by AI. The form of campaign includes name, reason, the money required, the in name of the institution and the deadline. And soon we will be providing different range of languages.
For donors, our app contains various campaigns filterable by interest. To donate, the person has to fill out some details like name, money, and some payment details, and which will directly go to in escrow account. If the amount is collected, the whole amount is collected, it will directly go to the institution and not the individual itself to prevent any fake campaign. If the amount is not collected by the deadline, it will be returned to the donors, and the donors will receive a real-time notification with consent on how their money is being used.
To encourage donations, we will reward the donors with coins which can be redeemed for coupons, and we will also give a certificate. The donors can also take photos with the person they have helped, especially appealing for teens, building their profiles. They can call the needy to verify contact information to build the trust. All payments go to verified institutions with a payment reference and ensuring security.
Now let's talk about the sustainability of this app. So we can earn money from 5 ways. First is through a 0.2% donation or donor fee, which will decrease to 0.1% during holidays like Ramadan or Shlaj. Then we can also show some ads before the form is submitted, and also monetize the data of the customer. Alongside, finally, we can also earn from app downloads. Lastly, the frequent donors can pay a sum of 79 rupees per month to pay without commission. Thank you.